how to download songs on Spotify without premium. So first of all, step one, you'll have to launch Spotify. And once you're on your Spotify, go to your library at the bottom here. Once you open your library, you can create a new playlist by clicking on the plus icon and click on playlist and name your playlist whatever you want and click on create. Once you've created your playlist, you can add songs to your playlist, and the Spotify automatically gives you some suggestions, so you can choose songs that you like, or you can search from here. For now, I'm going to just add random songs here. Now, once I've added songs here, if I try to click on download, it's obviously going to ask for a subscription for the premium. So instead of doing that, what you're gonna do is go to any web browser you have and then search for Spotify Premium. And once you click on this, you click on this one to open the app. This will take you to this website, and what you're going to do is click on Start Free Trial. Once you do this, you can enter your username and password, your Spotify username and password, and log in. After doing so, it will allow you to enjoy 3 months of Spotify Premium without paying anything. And that's how you can download songs on Spotify without premium. Thank you for watching. See you on another video.